Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. Before we get started, click that like button, turn on the notifications, and a big thumbs up. So today I'm gonna tell you that there's like a storm and this happened outside. Like our whole swing broke down, and sorry for the background music. So this is the swing that fell down. My bunny's wet too. Here, I'm gonna show you. He's wet. And that's it. So bye.